Mary, we have a problem. Someone accessed the HR system without permission.
What? How is that possible?
The IT team checked the logs. The password for the HR account was 123456.
That is not a safe password. Who created that account?
The new assistant. He did not know the rules.
Okay, we need to change all weak passwords now, and we need to block that account.
I already blocked it, but the IT manager wants a full security report.
I can help with that. First, let's check which other accounts have weak passwords.
Good idea. I have the list here. 12 accounts need new passwords today.
12? That is a lot. Let's start with the accounts that have access to important data.
Yes, finance and HR first. I will send a message to each user now.
Also, John, we need a new password rule. Minimum 8 characters with numbers and symbols.
I agree. I will write the new policy and send it to the manager for approval.
Perfect. This will not happen again.
Let's hope so. Security is everyone's responsibility.